All right, guys. Today I want to talk about why you should never make a statement to law enforcement. When you make a statement to law enforcement, anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. Their job is to make you feel comfortable to get the information that they want to know. That's their job. After they receive the information that they want to know, you are no longer their friend. By any means necessary, if you feel like you don't want to uphold the things that you said, they will forcibly, with legal action, to make you say these things. You might have a change of heart at a later date. You might have called the police on your emotional side and your emotions got the best of you and you felt that you wanted to make a statement to them. You had something to tell them. After you make that statement, and if they need to use that statement for any reason, they're going to make sure that you got to come verify that. If you get in a situation and you get arrested for something, you never make a statement trying to explain yourself. Everything that you try to explain will be used against you. You might mean something one way, but to fit the case that they are trying to prosecute, they will paint the narrative to be a certain way to back up whatever they're trying to prove. You might not even have meant it that way. But the design of their game is to use whatever you say to their ability. It's not to help you. They're not your friends. Prosecutors are not your friends. They have a job. These people are cold-hearted. They don't care if what you said and they have to bring it to the light in front of a lot of people is going to put you in jeopardy. They're trying to get a conviction. It's a job. So they're going to do it by any means necessary. You have to understand that they don't care about you. They care about the statement you provided. And you see it over and over in the trial with the Young Thug trial, where these people then made statements, they signed plea deals, and now they don't want to uphold to the things that they said, and they're being forcibly placed on the stand so that the things that they stated, the statements that they made, are presented to the jury. I don't understand how people don't understand that these people are not your friend. Police officers are not your friend. They have a job to do. They go home to their families. Prosecutors, they go home to their family. The judge go home to their family. They're not there to protect you. Because when you go home to your family and they go home to their family, you're in your world and they're in their world. They can't help you. It's designed for you to call the police, make your statement, someone gets arrested. Now your statement is the base of the case. Whatever you said is the whole entire case. So they're looking at it as, by any means necessary, you have to repeat this to make this case strong. And if you don't repeat this, we're going to subpoena you to make sure that you get on the stand and say the things that you said. They're not your friend. They don't have your best interests. The young lady told the prosecutor that she felt like harming herself because of the pressure that she was putting her under. And I guess she came forward about something that happened to her. Now they turn it on you. If you come forward about something that happens to you and you're a victim of something, and you don't respond to them the way they want you to respond, they want to treat you like a criminal. Now you no longer feel like the victim. You feel like the criminal because of the way that they're going to handle you. They'll butter you up until they get what they want out of you. After that, the relationship is not the same. The prosecutor stated on that YSL case that she would text the witness periodically to see how she was feeling, how she was doing. Told her that she wouldn't speak about certain things that she went through in her family. But soon as she got her on the witness stand, it was a different story. She spoke about everything that she said that she wasn't going to speak about. But she befriended her until the time came where she had to get on the stand. After that, there is no more relationship. That is the relationship. You getting on the stand to testify is the relationship. There is no friendship. People got to understand that everybody that communicates with you, everybody that tells you that they like you, they're not your friend. You can't take that everybody that is in your presence has your best interest. It's a lot of snakes that show up that way. You come in this world by yourself. You're influenced to support people, embrace people, but you're not prepared for when people are going to go against you. That's something that you got to learn along the way. It's important to never make a statement to law enforcement. It's important. It will never help you in no way, shape, or form to make a statement. And you got to understand this about law enforcement. They won't even make a statement. People don't understand that. When they are in a situation, they don't even make a statement. They don't even tell on their peers because they understand it. But the average person doesn't understand that. You're better off keeping your mouth shut. They have a job to do. Let them do their job. You assisting them with their job and you don't get paid for it, then they hold the pressure on you and you still don't get paid for it. I don't understand the purpose. I don't understand how people are still so easily manipulated by these tactics. When it's shown to us in front of us how this all turns out. You see it over and over. But people still fall for that. There's some good law enforcement officers out there. But the best way to avoid any of those issues, don't look to find out which ones are. Stay clear from those situations. Know that you do not make a statement for no reason at all. A statement does not benefit you. It helps their process. It can make you go into depression behind it. Do you think that they care? No. Because they're doing the job for financial gain. Their benefit is getting paid. So your emotions doesn't pay them. You having an emotional breakdown after you make a statement doesn't affect them. And the treatment that they give you afterwards, after you make the statement, it's like a cold shoulder. It's like, go ahead over there somewhere. It's designed for them to be cold-hearted. When you do something right for so long, as in the law enforcement, the prosecutors, they interrogate people, they get people to make statements, and they do this consecutively, constantly. You get numb to the emotions of others because some people might be telling the truth and some people might be lying. Dealing with these different situations, you become to get numb to these situations. So there, as you might go into the situation making a statement, feeling free to have a conversation, they're numb listening to you. There's no emotional attachment. Even if they say to you, I understand. I'm sorry this happened to you. Those are words. Those are comforting words. But there's no emotional attachment there. Because they constantly do this. So whatever you go through behind this, it doesn't affect their daily movement, man. People got to understand that, man. You can't help yourself making a statement. There's no way you're ever going to help yourself making a statement. The best thing to do is be quiet. But it's your boy DZ. Leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and share this video. Maybe this will help somebody out. It's not about the setback. It's about the get back. Now.